Hi there, my Simplify soulmates. It's Eileen Reed, professional organizer with Simplify with Eileen. Just wanted to jump in real quick here and share with you a tip about managing mail and especially bills that come in. Now, first and foremost, I encourage all my clients to do this as well. I do most of my bill paying online, paperless. Or on the phone. It just reduces that whole barrage of that paper coming in and having to manage it and having it pile up. I also, for some of the things that I do like to have come in as paper bills, I have this little system. Super small profile mail sorter, and it's called Bills to Pay, and it is right front and center on my desk so I never miss it. And when a bill comes in, what I do is I open it up and I write the due date here and I write the pay date here. It's usually a couple of days sooner, and I just put it in the sorter and I put it in order of when they're due. So my 4 bills for the month are right here, front and center, starting with August 6th. I never miss it. I don't pay bills late. I don't get hit with late fees, and my credit because of that is excellent, and it can be for you too. So I hope this tip has been helpful. For more tips on organizing and living a more simplified life, please check out my website and my Facebook page, Simplify with Eileen. Thanks for joining in, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.